Hi guys. Crompton Greaves mergers and acquisitions evidence from Indian manufacturing company case solution and analysis. In this case research study, an effort is made to examine the M&A technique of Crompton Greaves and post-M&A efficiency by using various monetary metrics. This case research study concentrates on Crompton Greaves' historic background, M&A deals done by the company, the intentions behind the M&A method of Crompton Greaves, merger and acquisition advantages and elements that affected the Crompton Greaves success in M&A. This case research study reveals the study outcomes of the M&A of Crompton Greaves, which was carried out through a survey to generate actions concerning various elements of M&A and Crompton Greaves. Thanks for watching this video.